As we age, our bodies undergo various changes that can affect nutrient absorption and overall health. For individuals over 60, ensuring adequate intake of essential vitamins is crucial for maintaining vitality and preventing age-related ailments. Here are the 6 best vitamins for people over 60, each playing a vital role in promoting health and well-being. 1. Vitamin D. Importance. Vitamin D is essential for bone health, as it helps the body absorb calcium. It also supports immune function, reduces inflammation, and has been linked to improved mood and cognitive function. Sources: sunlight exposure is a primary source of vitamin D. Dietary sources include fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. Supplements are often recommended for older adults, especially those who have limited sun exposure. 2. Vitamin B12. Importance. Vitamin B12 is crucial for maintaining healthy nerve cells and red blood cells. It also plays a role in DNA synthesis. Deficiency in B12 can lead to anemia, fatigue, and neurological issues, which are more common as we age due to decreased absorption efficiency. Sources: vitamin B12 is found in animal products such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy. For those on a plant-based diet or with absorption issues, B12 supplements or fortified foods are advisable. 3. Vitamin C. Importance. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. It is vital for collagen production, which is important for skin health, wound healing, and maintaining the integrity of blood vessels. It also supports immune function. Sources: citrus fruits, like oranges and grapefruits, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach are rich in vitamin C. Supplements can be used to ensure adequate intake, especially if dietary sources are insufficient. 4. Vitamin E. Importance. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative stress and damage. It supports immune function and skin health and may play a role in preventing cognitive decline. Sources: nuts and seeds, like almonds and sunflower seeds, spinach, and vegetable oils, such as sunflower and safflower oil, are good sources of vitamin E. Supplements are available but should be taken with caution due to the risk of excessive intake. 5. Vitamin K. Importance. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. It helps in the regulation of calcium in the bones and bloodstream, preventing bone fractures and osteoporosis, which are common in older adults. Sources: leafy green vegetables, such as kale, spinach, and broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and fermented foods like natto are high in vitamin K. For those with dietary restrictions, supplements may be necessary. 6. Vitamin A. Importance. Vitamin A is important for maintaining healthy vision, immune function, and skin integrity. It also plays a role in cellular communication and growth. Sources: vitamin A can be found in 2 forms: preformed vitamin A, found in animal products like liver and dairy, and provitamin A carotenoids, found in fruits and vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Ensuring a balanced intake from both sources can help meet the body's needs. For individuals over 60, maintaining an adequate intake of these 6 vitamins is essential for supporting overall health and preventing age-related conditions. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can provide most of these nutrients. However, supplements can be beneficial when dietary intake is insufficient or absorption is compromised. Consulting with a healthcare provider before starting any supplementation regimen is crucial to tailor the approach to individual health needs and avoid potential interactions or overdoses. By prioritizing these essential vitamins, older adults can enhance their quality of life and maintain their independence and well-being.